Eat this mushroom daily and watch your body transform. Portobello mushrooms' secret uses and benefits. Portobello mushrooms, with their robust flavor and meaty texture, are a favorite in many kitchens. But beyond their culinary appeal, these fungi are packed with a range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. Let's delve into the various ways portobello mushrooms can contribute to overall health and well-being. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Potential vitamins and minerals. They are rich in B vitamins, including riboflavin, B2, niacin, B3, and pantothenic acid, B5, which are vital for energy production and maintaining healthy brain function. They also contain important minerals like selenium, copper, and potassium. In addition, portobellos are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for digestive health. Number 2. Cancer-fighting properties. Portobello mushrooms contain various compounds, such as polysaccharides, polyphenol, and carotenoids, that are not considered nutrients, but may offer anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and cancer-fighting benefits. Research on animals has indicated that mushrooms can activate immune cells and inhibit the progression and dissemination of cancer cells. Number 3. Great source of vitamin D. Research published in Nutrients in 2018 revealed that portobello mushrooms can supply between 50% and 100% of our daily vitamin D requirements. This finding is particularly significant given that approximately 40% of adults in the United States are deficient in vitamin D, according to a 2018 study in Curious. Vitamin D deficiency can negatively impact bone health, increase cancer risk, and affect body weight. Sunlight is our primary source of vitamin D. A 2019 study in the Journal of Exposure Science and Environmental Epidemiology found that 10 to 15 minutes of sun exposure with 22% skin exposure daily is necessary to meet our vitamin D needs. Consuming mushrooms can help supplement vitamin D intake during winter months, and for those with limited outdoor time during warmer seasons. Notably, mushrooms are the only true plant-based source of vitamin D, making them a valuable addition to vegan diets. Number 4. Cognitive health advantages. Consuming portobello mushrooms might offer protective effects on cognitive function in older individuals, and potentially lower the risk of mild cognitive impairment. A study conducted in 2019 involving Chinese adults aged 60 and above found that those who consumed mushrooms at least twice a week had a 52% lower likelihood of developing MCI. Number 5. Gastrointestinal health improvements. The polysaccharides found in portobello mushrooms serve as nourishment for beneficial bacteria in the gut, promoting their growth and survival. Approximately 70% of the immune system is located in the digestive tract. Incorporating gut-friendly foods like portobello mushrooms into one's diet may enhance immune function. Number 6. Great source of potassium. While bananas are commonly associated with potassium, portobello mushrooms also provide a significant amount of this mineral. A single cup of cooked portobello mushrooms contains more potassium than a medium banana. The National Institutes of Health states that potassium is essential for maintaining electrolyte balance and muscle function, making it a popular choice for post-exercise recovery. This mineral is also associated with reduced blood pressure, improved blood glucose regulation, and protection against stroke, osteoporosis, and kidney stones. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory properties. Portobello mushrooms, despite their subtle appearance, are rich in antioxidants that combat free radical damage. Whether consumed raw or cooked, these fungi contain selenium, a nutrient rarely found in fruits or vegetables. The National Institutes of Health reports that selenium, a potent antioxidant, may help prevent cancer, heart disease, cognitive deterioration, and thyroid disorders. Research published in Food Chemistry in 2017 revealed that mushrooms also contain high levels of two other antioxidants, glutathione and ergothioneine. These compounds are believed to be crucial for slowing the aging process by protecting against cognitive decline and oxidative stress. A 2021 review in the International Journal of Molecular Science highlighted ergothionene's potential to reduce inflammation caused by oxidative stress in conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, metabolic syndrome, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Well, that is all about the health benefits of portobello mushrooms. However, here are some frequently asked questions about portobello mushrooms. Let's check it out. Question 1. Can portobello mushrooms be eaten raw? While they can be eaten raw, they are often more palatable when cooked. Cooking enhances their flavor and texture and reduces any potential for digestive discomfort. Question 2. Is it okay to eat portobello mushrooms every day? Mushrooms are considered a nutritional powerhouse due to their high nutrient content and numerous health advantages. While it's possible to incorporate mushrooms into your diet every day, it should be done as part of a well-rounded meal plan that includes various other foods. Despite the diverse shapes and sizes of mushrooms, their nutritional profiles are remarkably similar when compared to 96 grams servings. Question 3. Are portobello mushrooms healthier than white mushrooms? Both fresh white and brown mushrooms are rich in essential nutrients, while being low in less desirable components, such as sodium and cholesterol. The nutritional content of white, baby bella, and portobello mushrooms is largely comparable. In fact, white and brown mushrooms belong to the same species, Agaricus bisporus, which explains their similar nutritional profiles. Question 4. Are portobello mushrooms a superfood? Portobello mushrooms are fully grown cremini mushrooms, known for their robust flavor and substantial texture. These fungi are calorically light and offer a rich array of nutrients, including 15 different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant phytonutrients. Among these are copper, selenium, and B vitamins. Question 5. When should you not eat portobello mushrooms? Determining if portobello mushrooms have gone bad typically doesn't require tasting them. A clear indicator of spoilage is a change in texture from firm and full to sticky and slimy. Additionally, if the mushrooms appear dehydrated or significantly shrunken, it's best to discard them. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.